Mastering Homophones and Homonyms in Literature, the Power of Context. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of homophones and homonyms in English literature and poetry. But we won't just list them out. No. Our mission is to hone our skills in using context clues to identify these tricky pairs. So let's unravel the mystery of homophones and homonyms together. Before we delve into context clues, let's quickly revise our knowledge. Homophones are words that sound the same but have different meanings, often spelled differently, such as night and night. Homonyms, on the other hand, are words that both sound the same and are spelled the same but have different meanings, like bark, the sound a dog makes, and bark, the outer covering of a tree. Understanding the context is key to deciphering the meaning of homophones and homonyms. By context, we mean the words and sentences surrounding our word in question. These offer valuable hints about the meaning of the word, helping us to choose the right interpretation. Now let's examine some techniques for identifying homophones and homonyms using context clues. 1. Look for other words in the sentence that hint at the correct meaning. For instance, in the sentence, "She left her book on the bank," the word book gives us a clue that bank refers to a riverside, not a financial institution. 2. Check the overall theme or topic of the paragraph or piece. A poem about nature will likely use bark as tree covering, not a dog's sound. 3. Consider grammar and word order. Sometimes, the position of the word in a sentence can hint at its part of speech and, consequently, its meaning. 4. Detect contrast or comparison. Homophones and homonyms are sometimes used in a playful way, especially in poetry, where contrast or comparison can help you identify the correct meaning. The best way to improve is through practice. Try to find and read literature or poetry with a high number of homophones and homonyms. As you come across them, use the context to help you understand their meaning. That's all for today, folks. Remember, understanding the context is your superpower when dealing with homophones and homonyms in literature. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be navigating through these tricky words with ease. Until next time, happy reading and happy learning.